What is up, guys? MACABESPEED coming at ya. Long awaited, never duplicated episode for the MACABESPEED Media Machine family today, guys. I couldn't be more excited to bring you guys the second installment of the full assault gauntlet course for the Hatsan Blitz 30 caliber. Let's get right into it, guys.
3, 2, 1, go! Pressure. Shit. I'm out of pressure. Three, 2, 1, go! Pressure. Shit. Three, 2, 1, go! Pressure. Shit. Go! Pressure. Shit. I come out here with my friends to the range, and honestly, one of the best part about air gunning is that camaraderie that you can gain when you come out with a group of people all doing the same thing, enjoying the same type of an environment, guys. Also, if you can see this big ass smile on my face, it's because we got federally released from that mandate that makes me wear a face condom on federal property. Yeah, baby, no more mask on the MACABESPEED channel. Gonna be getting into an assault course with Shooter Dean today. As you guys saw earlier in this episode, I definitely did my very best to go ahead and try and get the best performance I could for you guys, but I definitely want to go ahead and share the love and let other people enjoy this as well. I'm going to be the cameraman, and Shooter Dean is going to go ahead and take out 5 bottles on this miniaturized course. Let's get right into it. 3, 2, 1, go! You got it, Dean, you got it. Push that bolt in, dude.
There you go. There you go. There you go. You're on it. You're on it. You need your hand? You got it, you got it. Hit. Right in front of you, 10 feet, 10 feet. To your left, left side. There's a bottle directly to your left, 10 feet. 9 o'clock. put up 5 over here.
Okay, you got them all good.
Yeah.
Good job, dude.
Alright guys, if I've said it once, I've said it 100 times on this channel. Anything you do long enough, you'll end up getting good at. This second run at the Blitz Assault course was much better for me personally. I got through a lot more targets than we previously did on the very first installment that we put out for you, and we seem to be more efficient as far as hitting those targets is concerned with that fully automatic burst fire that we were utilizing. Now the second portion of the video showcased Shooter Dean, someone who has almost no experience with the Hatsan Blitz. The one critical difference that I noticed between the run that I put together as far as the run that Shooter Dean put together was the actual basic mechanical knowledge of what it takes to make the gun run. As you guys saw, I tried to go ahead and give Shooter Dean the best coaching I could possible to keep him on target, kind of maybe give him ideas as far as how to get that magazine seated, but ultimately, it's that practice, that time spent with your chosen weapons platform that is going to give you the proficiency in the field. Never lose sight of the fact that just because you possess a rifle, possess a firearm, possess a weapon, it does not guarantee your success in an engagement without the proficiency to go along with that tool. Considering the fact that Shooter Dean has probably held the Hatsan Blitz total in his whole lifespan, just about as long as he was on that physical course, I definitely think that it was a good first offering for him, and there's going to be a lot of improvement as far as his own personal journey getting good on this course. I know looking at my own performance, I also have a lot of work to do. I'm still utilizing the single eye open move on an optic design for 2 eyes. And to be perfectly transparent with you guys, my offhand accuracy suffers greatly compared to my bench shooting abilities. Now obviously these Assault Gauntlet videos are more fun than fundamentals based. We're not necessarily reviewing anything here. I'm not showing you where you could best spend your money. It's just basically a guy becoming familiarized with the idea of utilizing a Hatsan Blitz as a main battle rifle in the event of a zombie apocalypse. Alright guys, I think this would be a great place to end today's video, but if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe for more with that notifications button so you can stay current on the channel as well as when new videos come out. If you really like this video, make sure you share it so somebody else can see it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.